If you're not in the Middle East, then chances are you've never seen a Nissan Patrol Nismo. So this is the latest model, and let me show you the little differences that they've added in the model. You can see that the headlights are the same, but the grille and everything is different. You have a front splitter that's red, plus the whole body kit of the car is very similar to the Nissan GTR Nismo model. Look at those wheels and the side skirts, they're also red. So if you come to this side and have a better look at the side skirt, let me show you the rear. So you have a lot of Nismo merchandise here as well. Look at that bumper. Oh my god, it's so sturdy. Look at the diffuser and the exhaust pipes. But the real thing that I like about this car is the interior. I have to climb inside because it's quite high. And yeah, here it is. So this is a 5.6 liter V8 engine, 428 horsepower SUV, which has a Nismo body kit now. So basically this is the steering wheel, and as you can see, it's all black. And here is the dash. You have two dials here with an LCD screen, and you have a very comfortable Alcantara covered steering wheel. Yes, Alcantara, of course, you need that in a SUV. Plus you have this really nice stitching everywhere. It's red color, and it really contrasts well with the interior. Plus you have a carbon fiber circumference on the wheel, and you have a red marker here just to tell you when the steering wheel is straight, in case you're on the F1 circuit. And you have buttons here on either sides of the steering wheel for cruise control, phone controls, a lot of other controls. Now coming here to the center console, you can see that there are two LCD screens, and they are surrounded by a trim of carbon fiber. So I'm guessing that this may be real carbon fiber. I'm not sure. So here on the lower screen, you have all these controls for the central heating. You have some buttons for shortcuts for the multimedia as well. So the lower screen is for additional features. The top screen here, that's for the main navigation and the primary controls that the driver needs. Coming down here, you have some USB ports. You have storage for your phone. You have a small socket for connecting a lighter or something like a small car vacuum. Then coming down here, you have a lot of space here, and you have cup holders with some storage space. You have complete carbon fiber trim, since this is of course a Nismo model. So yeah, I'm guessing this is real carbon fiber. Then you have some knobs here, and those are for the drive controls. Basically what type of mode you want to drive on, whether you want to drive on 2 wheels, 4 wheels, and you can even select what type of terrain you want to drive on, whether you want to adjust the heights and the suspension. You can want to have control the descent, control the differential. At the bottom you can see the traction control button. Of course, if you find yourself on the Nürburgring in Dubai, then yes, why not? You need the traction control button here. Now this armrest is also quite comfortable, and the rest of the interior is pretty nice. You have very nice materials here. You have a little bit of carbon fiber there, and if you look at the seats, they are very comfortable. They're very sturdy and soft at the same time. The leather is very nice. Plus I love the stitching here. It's sports stitching, and it's all red and black. It's pretty nice, and you have red and black on the inside as well. So basically there's more of the Nismo on the interior than on the exterior. You have red and black stitching here. So yeah, it's pretty nice. One last thing I want to show you is this red dial here. It's red, and when you activate the sport mode, of course you would, and it glows red, so it looks really good. And yeah, it's very practical and very comfortable ride. Let me show you some more things about it. I can show you the rear seats. They're also Nismo, so that you don't forget it. You have Nismo on the headrest as well. So yeah, this car is as big as a school bus, and yes, it's perfect for carrying children. So let's step out and let me show you more of this beast. And you have a Nismo badge here as well at the bottom. So when you open the door to the rear, oh, I love the color combination. You have TV screens here, you have a lot of controls here for the passengers. They can control their own multimedia settings, their own air conditioning settings. They can even open the armrest. Plus you have a foldable armrest here in the middle, and full sport trim throughout the interior. So the Nismo trim is basically not just an exterior trim, it's more of an interior trim. So this is a lot of Nismo and Nissan merchandise that you can buy if you want it to. And yeah, that's it for this very strange and very odd SUV. Now I do have a lot of other videos. I had a very unique Nissan GTR that broke the world record for the fastest drift in the world. That was also in this showroom. I have a video of that. I have a video of a completely hand engraved golden Nissan GTR. Do have a look at that. So I'll paste all the links in the video's description, and have a look at my channel. I'm sure you're going to like it.